Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. So today, let's talk about power supplies. Power supply units are used as one of the most primary hardware pieces for any PC builder, and they should concentrate on that while building his dream unit. His or her dream unit, to be exact. With a strong enough PSU, exciting graphics, and crossing, your computer may not turn off. There's several great PSUs out there, but choosing between them can be a challenge. In this video, we're going to break down the 6 best power supplies on the market this year, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We're taking a look at products in all price ranges, so whether you want an excellent value PSU or the ultimate, we have the best option for you. If you're interested in finding out which power supply is the best one for you, stay tuned. And as always, all the links to check out the products discussed are in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information and updated prices, check it out. The products mentioned are not in any exact order, so be sure to stay tuned and don't miss a thing. Starting off this list, we have the Corsair CX Series 550. The CX Series modular power supply unit is an excellent choice for basic system builds and desktop PC upgrades, offering high reliability, low noise, and modular cabling flexibility. Once you install the PSU, you shouldn't have to think about it. Its 80+ bronze certified efficiency and intelligent fan design allows for little or no detectable fan noise during regular operations. The CX Series modular is built and tested to strict standards for double-free installation and also smooth operation. The large diameter thermally controls fans, which makes the CX Series modular a little more quiet at idle and reduces noise even when you're pushing harder for your system. Further, talk about good looks. Its matte black finish and black sleeve cables and black connectors help give your system a restrained to high-tech look. With the modular cabling system, you can use only cables that you need. You get to save space and reduce clutter for a cleaner-looking build and improved airflow with Corsair CX Series 550. Next up, we have the Seasonic Prime 600 Titanium. Keep your computer fresh and ditch fan noise with the Prime Titanium fanless 600-watt 80+ titanium power supply from Seasonic. It's designed to regulate heat by way of thermal dissipation. This fanless PSU adheres to Intel ATX 12-volt specifications and features a single plus 12-volt rail, and in addition to lacking a fan, this unit is also fully modular and 80+ titanium certified with up to 94% efficiency and 50% load. As a result, the Prime Titanium fanless 600-watt doesn't just cut down the noise, but can also help reduce overall power requirements. Also, supporting multiple graphic cards by 4 PCI connectors. This power supply provides 6 SATA and 5 Molex or 4-pin peripheral connectors. The included cables feature a webbed or flat black design and is fully modular. The high-quality components inside the innovative circuit design result in clean and stable power outputs. The fully modular cable further allows for better cable management in the computer case. Moving forward, we have the Seasonic SR750PX. The Focus Plus Platinum power supply from Seasonic efficiently powers your desktop's internal components by offering up to 750 watts of energy through fully modular cables. This PSU comes armed with 4 PCIe and 8 SATA connectors to run graphic cards and storage drives. Other connectors include 3 for older peripherals, utilizing a 4-pin Molex design. Aside from connections, it also has a variable speed fan and fan control button, so you can turn the fan off under low loads and on while gaming or editing videos. Additionally, Focus Plus lets you improve the airflow within a system by taking out unused cables. The higher the efficiency of the power supply, the less power gets wasted in the form of excess heat. Its 80+ platinum certification provides greater than 90, 92, and 89% efficiency at 20, 50, and 100% operating loads. Further, this densely packed power supply features a small footprint of 5.5 inches, which makes it suitable for compact ATX cases. Up next, we have the Corsair AX850. The AX series fully modular power supply delivers titanium-efficient power and ultra-low noise operations to complete your most ambitious builds. You may customize your PSU to match your system's style, with 3 included magnetic side labels in red, white, or blue. Only use cables that you need for quick and easy installation, with stylish sleeving to simplify routing and cable management, and you can store your unused wires in its included cable bag. The AX850 delivers power at up to 94% efficiency, which lowers energy consumption, noise, temperatures, and your power bill. By using high-end capacitors, AX series power supplies offer the unwavering power and long-term reliability as well. Its cooling fan doesn't spin until you need it for near-silent operations at low and medium loads. Also, it features over 80 titanium certified for the highest level of efficiency and performance. The AX850 has world-class electrical performance for incredibly stable voltage and ultra-low ripple noise as well. Next up on this list is the Corsair AX1500i. This delivers a total of 1500 watts of continuous power to all internal components in high-end desktops and workstations. It lets you power up to 12 Molex and 20 SATA drives as well, and even 10 PCI cards. For motherboards, it's built to support Intel ATX 12V versions with 2.4, and comes with 2 EPS connectors, along with the ATX connector, and there's also 2 connectors for floppy drives. Furthermore, the PSU is certified with the 80+ titanium specification that lowers your operating cost and sports a DSP-based design for increased efficiency and tighter voltage regulation. Its low-profile cables are fully modular, so you can use only cables that you need. Using the smallest amount of wires can help improve the system's cooling solution. Also, a 140mm fan is on board and is thermally controlled by Corsair Link integration. This fan further features a fluid dynamic bearing for quiet and reliable operations and can be set to stop running under low or medium loads. And finally, we have the Corsair SF750. Empower your small form factor build with the SF750 Platinum SFX power supply from Corsair. It harnesses 750 continuous watts in SFX form, perfect for the most power-dense small form factor PCs, designed to power plenty of parts while fitting SFX specifications. This power supply features a single 12-volt rail, a motherboard connector, 2 CPU connectors, 4 PCI connectors, 8 SATA connectors, and 3 4-pin peripheral connectors. Sporting a 92mm fan and a 0 RPM mode for near noiseless operations. The SF750 is 80+ platinum certified with up to 92% efficiency. It also ensures ultra-high efficiency operations for less excess heat and lowers operating cost. The cables are fully modular and are sleeved individually. In addition to cable ties, this power supply also comes with storage bags, SFX to ATX adapter plates, and Corsair case badges, utilizing PWM instead of the standard DC voltage controls. The Platinum keeps noise low and delivers precise fan speed. It also has a copper alloy heatsink, which ensures optimal thermal performance. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.